Ciao,
Ciao, siamo qui oggi pomeriggio. We are on Castel Gandolfo Lake, il lago di Albano. It's a very nice lake in Rome. Rome have everything: beach, mountain, lakes. These actually are two lakes next to each other. We are in one lake. Before it was a volcano. You can see all around. 10,000 years ago it was a volcano. After become lake. It's beautiful. As you can see up there is the summer residence of the Pope in the Vatican. Yeah, that's the whole town. It's so beautiful. Today is not very nice weather. Usually it's a lot of people do kayaking, windsurfing. It's nice. And relax. We come here with the motorbike.
ciao.
Relax. I ate too much today. I feel
Okay, let's go.
okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.